In this video, I will show how to make a chip ring exhibition to display using 3dsmax. Firstly, like usual, we need to create a plane of guideline. So I can make a rectangle with 50 and 50. Here to modify. Now I right click it, convert to editable poly, and point on by vertex. You see the point is on now. I right click it again and cut. My cut is like a hexagon. To that I go to polygon here. Select the 29.1 and cut it out so I have a hexagon now. And display polygon. Now we will create by a shield in modify list by shield. Other amount now is I think it's 5, but maybe I make it 6 to better thickness. You can see in here. Now I will use the STD modify to maximum and only select the middle one and click again in FPDD. So I can select a part of that and I drag it falling back to make a shape. I can now also select multiple points to arrange. I drag point and also hold shift to multiple one and drag it. Then I got the shape I want. Maybe I will make it smoother, like turbo smooth. It look like a chip. See now, it look like a chip. Maybe I make it in orange. Like very yellow, so look like chip. I need to make a circle for that and circle ring of that. So I need a guideline. I go to spin line and make a circle. To got a circle, we need to select our chip, so tool, align, spacing tool. Pick the part in here with circle we created before. And you make it like follow or no, maybe not follow. You make it 15 edge, so it will be together and apply. Close that. This one delete. So in your circle, you see I have 3 of the chip in here, but go to maximum point, select all of them, and make it like this, and copy a version of that by holding shift, drag, and another one, copy. Now I need to create, swing it again. And move it in to make it cross each other. Now you see a version of that, but if I go to surface, because surface and also make it better. Yep. Thank you for watching my video.